up, guys? It's Mellow Kilo back with another tutorial. Today we're just going to go over a quick video on how you can get curly hair in 10 minutes, and I'm going to give you guys a few quick easy steps on how you can achieve that. So step one is to rinse our hair with warm water and massage our scalp with shampoo. Make sure when you guys put the shampoo in your scalp that we go everywhere in our scalp, not just in a certain area. We want to make sure our scalp and our hair is very well cleansed before applying any other product. Step two is condition your hair. Apply the conditioner all throughout your hair. We want to make sure our hair is very soft and easy to manage once we use our styler. And it depends up to you how long you want to leave your conditioner in. Personally, I would just leave it in for 5 minutes for the purpose of this video, because this video is meant for people that have to get somewhere in the morning, like work or school. It's just a quick tutorial on how to get some curls going in the morning. Step three is apply a leave-in conditioner. The purpose of this product is to treat it as a moisturizer and leave it in your hair so it can help keep your hair moisturized throughout the day. Because once you rinse out the conditioner with cold water, which I recommend, you don't want your hair to be dry. So apply a leave-in conditioner with that once you're done conditioning. Step number four is apply a curl cream. Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture is the product we're going to be using today on my hair. I personally love this curl cream. It smells really good and the texture is perfect for my kind of hair. And I just want you guys to also make sure you evenly distribute this throughout your hair. Step number five is massage and oil into our scalp. We want to use this product last so we can seal in all the moisture and help keep our scalp healthy and not be dry and brittle. Step number six, you want to shake your hair while you blow dry. I don't know why this works, but it's been working for me for years. And you want to use the blow dryer to help dry it a little bit faster, because sometimes just waiting throughout the day can take a minute. Like my hair takes a really long time to air dry, so I just prefer to use a blow dryer. And the last step, we lightly want to just pick our hair up with our pick for volume. Sometimes when we put so many products or too many, we can have our hair just laying down flat. Not that we use too many products in this video, but sometimes when your hair is just getting weighed down by water and other products, it needs to be lifted again with a comb or a pick.